Welcome to my kitchen. I'm just going to use up some leeks and make leek and potato soup. So all I need is leek, potatoes, an onion, a vegetable stock cube and a knob of butter. And I'm going to get 2 generous portions for just under £1. So I'll start by preparing the leek. I'll trim off the top and the bottom. I'm going to take the outside leaves off because that looks a little bit sorry for itself. And just chop it up. I'm going to cut each one in half like that, and I'm going to put it all into lightly salted water for a while. But it opens them up by cutting them in half like that. Peel the potato. Peel the potatoes, so I'm going to cut them up into small pieces. Peel the onion, and I'm going to slice that. I'm going to put a knob of butter in the saucepan. Just put it on a gentle heat. I've washed the leeks and rinsed them off in cold water, so they're ready now to use. I shall need a stock cube dissolved in hot water. Sometimes you can squeeze these and it breaks it up easier. .500 millilitres. I'm going to stir in the onion and potatoes. That's a good mix round. Add the leeks. And just simply add the stock. turn that up to bring it to the, turn it up to bring it up to the boil. Shouldn't take too long. There you are. So it's coming to the boil nicely now. I'll just give it another stir, and then I'm going to reduce the heat and leave it to simmer for about 20 minutes, but I will be stirring it from time to time. So time to have a cup of tea. So it's been simmering nicely now for 20 minutes. I'll just check that everything is soft enough. So I'll just take a spoonful out of, make sure you've got some potato in it, because the potato's got to be soft. I'll just press, yeah, that softens up nicely. So I will going to strain the stock off into this jug. Doesn't really matter if you leave bits of leek in. Doesn't have to all be mashed down. I hope I'm going to be able to do that now. I'll mash it down with a fork, but it usually makes it easier than putting the blender in straight away. Obviously try not to spill stuff while you're doing it. Nicely pureed. Here's my flexible friend. I was brought up not to waste anything. I'll return up to the saucepan. Pour the stock in, mix it in gradually. Put the heat back on. Reheat it to boil. So I've reheated it. Looks nice and colourful. And pour it into 2 dishes. Or a mug if you prefer. There you are. 2 generous servings for just under £1.